Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue with Discord where your volume levels are going to be going up and down randomly whenever you're trying to do a voice chat, video chat, or even just to listen to anything coming through Discord. It's kind of a bug, but it might not necessarily be in Discord, but it might actually be in Windows. So there are a couple of things you need to do. So the first, we're just going to go into Discord, then go to user settings. Once you're on this page, go down to the section called video and voice, or voice and video. Then scroll all the way to the very bottom of the page and click the reset voice settings. So once you've done this, close out of Discord, then go back in, just reconfigure your microphone settings, and it should work fine without any of the annoying volume randomization problems that you had before. Other than that, you can close out of Discord, then go to Windows settings. Once you're on this page, go to System, Sound. Here on this page, depending on the device you're using, you'll have an option called Advanced or Enhanced Sound Settings. So my headphones don't actually have this, but depending on what you're using, so if you're using speakers or headphones, you might have this option and you might need to disable it. So I'm just going to expand the other sound devices I have and show you what I'm talking about. In here is a list of the devices that I'm using, and if I was to be using the speakers, you'll see at the bottom here there is an option for audio enhancements and spatial surround. So generally this will be off by default depending on the device, but if it is on, and it is going to be using some kind of random effect, you can flip this to off and save the changes. The same thing goes for spatial surround as well, so you can make sure that is off too. While you're in here, if you're having problems with your microphone and not your headset with the volume going up and down, you can just go to the input section for input devices, select your microphone, and then you'll find the same option here for audio enhancements. Just flip it to off and you're good to go. Another thing you can try to experiment with is to go over to Discord again, go to settings, go back into the voice and video settings. Then once you're on this page, you'll see the option here called automatically determine input sensitivity, and this will be enabled by default. Just experiment with disabling it and then using your slider here. So for me, this is basically what the slider looks like. It would have adjusted automatically, which works fine for me. But if you are having problems, you can just adjust this slider up or down to get the desired result. And this might stabilize your volume issues when you're using your microphone. Other than those couple of options, you pretty much just need to go through, reinstall your audio drivers or uninstall and reinstall Discord, and the problem should go away. Anyway, that wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers everyone.